I cannot believe I'm saying this, but hi, I am Manya and welcome to my first ever sit down YouTube video where I will be showing you how I edit my Instagram pictures. Now, these are not some normal editing that I'm showing you, but instead, I love doing this digital scrapbooking carousel situation. So, that is what I'm going to show you. But before that, thank you so much for clicking on this video because it means a lot to me. And if you like anything from this video, even little bit, then please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with someone, comment on this video and share your feedback. I would love to know. And most importantly, please follow me on my Instagram because I'm more active there and I put a lot of efforts. So I would love to have you guys in my community. Enough of this bug, let's get started. So the app that I use to edit is called SCRL. It's available both in Android and iOS, so that's convenient. They have a paid version as well, but I just use the free version. I'll just show you what's the difference and stuff. This is literally the most convenient app ever, and no, I'm not paid to do this. Of course, you can edit in your phone as well. There's no need of iPad or anything. Now, before I show you how I do it, let me show you a few posts that I've done in the past so that you can get an idea. Let's take this particular post as an example and I will show you how I did it from scratch. So you go to your scroll app, that's what I call it. Now there are multiple options. There is grids, you can use these. Then there are free templates. Most of them are paid versions, but even the free ones are pretty good. You can use that as well for your Instagram post or even stories. But for carousel, you have to go to blank. Now for free versions, you can add up to 10 slides, but for paid version, you'll have multiple options. According to your convenience, based on your requirements, you can just choose whatever you want. So let's start. So you go to plus, you go to images. Now make sure to have your pictures ready. Segregate it accordingly, because if you have a lot of pictures and if you're confused, then it will be very overwhelming and time consuming, especially because this alone will take a lot of time. And yeah, so have your pictures ready. So let's add this one. I don't want to add this particular picture as it is, so what I will do is I will remove background. So I will have it in this form. Now let's just keep it as it is. I'll come back to it later. Let's add another picture. This one. I want to add it like this. So let's crop it. Let's see if this looks good. This was the first layer that you added. So it will come on top. Of course, there is an option with layers. But what I do is instead, I'll just duplicate it and delete the first one. So this one is on top of this. But I want to add border to this. It's looking blank. So let me just place it here and add border. Let's choose a color. Which color? Maybe white will look good. Thickness. No, that's too much. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's cute. I'll add one more picture. Which one? Maybe this one, yeah. Now there's a blank here. So what I'll do is, there are frames options. So these are Polaroid frames. So cute. Look at this vintage camera. There is also stickers options. You can choose a lot of stickers. Then this is a clear tape, masking, packing tape wala, packing tape thingy, duct tape, black duct, cardboard. This is my favorite. I use this the most. Then letters, numbers, symbols, beats, again letters, then scribbles, dust. So there's a lot of options like that. And also there's one more thing about this is key, based on the festival, based on the occasions, they keep releasing stickers. So this time it's holiday season. Oh, they did not update it yet. Okay. Summary stickers. Now that summer is around, you can use this a lot. What I want right now is a Polaroid. Go to frame and take a simple one. So when you keep the Polaroid here, you can add your picture. I want to add this one. That's cute. No, I want to zoom it in. Yeah, this is all raw form that I'm doing. I will add the final touches again later. This is just to get an idea. Let's add this one. Let's keep it here. I love this picture where I'm reading a book, but I don't like the hair part. I will cover it up. There's one more thing that I love doing, which is go to your Google, Safari, or whatever. Go to Google and type novel page PNG. There's a lot of options like that. Let's take this for example. Download this, save to your photos, go back and add photo, this one. Now remove background. See, you have your novel page here. So later I will use this novel page as frame. Add one more picture. Love it. Like I said, I love using cardboard, but for now, let's add a tape maybe. Masking. Let's add a masking. Maybe this one. Can just increase in size. Now I'll show you how you can layer it as well, because I don't want this tape on top of the picture. So let's just layer it down. You can slide like this and it will go down. Perfect. Now since I'm reading a book, let's add this photo that we saw, this PNG. This is a cute one. Let's download this and again remove background. Let's put it here. My idea behind this was to give book recommendation. So the book that I was reading was, I will add it here. You can zoom it as well. Yes. Perfect. Yes, perfect. Now this is blank, so let's add my picture here. कौन सा add करेंगे? Okay, maybe this one. Okay, let's crop this like this. Okay, cute. Want okay, crop again. I want me to be in the center. Okay, done. Now add it here. Cute. Now I want to write something here. So in the texting part, there are so many options. Let's first type it, book recommendation. So there's a lot of font options. Let's choose something cute. Oh, I like this calligraphy. Let's search for more. I like the cursive ones more here. It's just very cute. Never mind. I'll stick to calligraphy. Oh, even this is nice. Barcelona. No, calligraphy. Okay. Let's stick to, yeah, perfect. Now let's see if we can do something else here. Again, I want to add novel page, but a different type this time. Image, then remove background. Simple. Let's duplicate this so that I don't have to remove it again. This is cute. Yeah, I like it. You can write something if you want, but now let's add a tape. Ah, I like this. Yeah, very cute. Very apt. Let's add one more picture. This part looks blank, the starting part. This one. I want to remove the background. Add border. Border. Go to, and 6 can be the thickness. So while adding the thickness, what I'm making sure is, since I have added one cutout here and the thickness of this was also 6. Yeah, 6 was the thickness here as well. So I want to make sure that the thickness of this is also 6. Oops. Yeah. Now this looks like, now I don't like this part here because it's just too like ऐसे straight है. So let's add something. Again, go to, since we are sticking to some vintage vibe, let's add a leaf, but autumn leaves. Make sure to use the word PNG all the time. Yeah, this one, perfect. Let's add some sticker here because it's looking very bright and sunny. I think they have a sticker for sun, if I'm not wrong. This is cute. There's something blank here. Again, let's go to Google and let's type novel pages. Again, keep searching for something that is attractive, that is your vibe or something. Okay, this is cute. We can add this. Let's see. Let's give it a try. Okay, I like this. Now, I want to add more leaves. And make sure to find the leaf which is realistic looking. Don't find the cartoon ones. Just want to turn it around. Just minimize it. That's it. So simple. Now you can just preview it. So this is how it will look on your Instagram page. Yep, that's the vibe. Very cute. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Now let me show you few creative methods that I take which I could not cover in this particular post. Let's take this particular photo as an example. There is drawing option. I will take the crayon option and maybe draw something like this. Add multiple quotes, reduce the size a bit, capacity should be high, and just adding it. I'm just showing you as an example here. We add a different color. Something, drawing something. Okay, let's add one more picture and then I'll show you. Draw and maybe add an arrow. OOTD. This is one technique that you can add, which is drawing. Few pointers that I want to share are, personally, I love using a lot of PNGs. Like whatever I want, I will go to Google. Like let's say, like you saw me doing, right? Novel PNG, novel pages PNG, or Polaroid PNGs, or even masking tape, the duct tapes. The app has a lot of tape option, but if I want to experiment with a different color, then again, pastel tape PNG. Type anything that you want and add PNG to it, and make sure to get it in the PNG form because it will be easy for you to remove the background and use that particular thing as a sticker. And the second one, I love to draw or write something on it every time. So make sure to use that tool. Then one more cute thing is adding arrows. So again, you can do the same thing by drawing or going to Google, add arrows PNG, whichever color you want, like red arrow PNG, everything you will get in Google. So make sure to use that. And the last one is adding border to my cutouts. This might not be applicable to all the posts that I do, but sometimes it will look good. When you're doing it, you will get to know the flow. And that's it. It was very simple and easy, I think. Let me know if I can help you in any other way related to this in the comment section. I've seen a lot of editing videos where they have used Canva to do the same process, but it is very time consuming. So I hope this helped you guys, because this has changed my life. My Instagram is so pretty and so aesthetic. Thank you so much for staying till now. It means a lot to me. I'm so happy that I could just finally tell it out and I did not gatekeep anymore about this. And follow me on my Instagram. Like I said, I put a lot of effort, so I would love if you guys support me there as well. See you in my next video. Until then, be happy. Bye.